Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the side brush motors on the Rowenta Smartforce vacuum. This process will ensure your vacuum operates at peak performance. Let's dive in. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep track of small parts. To begin, unplug the vacuum to ensure safety during the repair. Next, turn the vacuum upside down to access the brush compartment. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the bottom cover. There are typically 4 screws, so keep track of them as you remove them, placing them in a small container. Once the screws are out, gently lift the bottom cover. You may encounter some resistance. If so, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open. Be cautious not to damage any clips. Now that you have access to the internal components, locate the side brush motors. These are usually situated near the edges of the brush compartment. If you notice any debris or hair tangled around the motors, use your tweezers to clean them out. This step is crucial as it helps prevent future issues. Next, you will need to disconnect the old motors. There are usually small connectors attached to each motor. Gently pull these connectors off. If you encounter any difficulty, remember to take your time to avoid breaking any wires. Once the old motors are disconnected, it's time to install the new ones. Align the connectors of the new motors with the existing wires and push them in until you hear a click. Ensure they are securely attached before proceeding. After connecting the new motors, it's essential to test them before reassembling the vacuum. Plug in the device and briefly power it on to ensure the motors are functioning correctly. If everything is working smoothly, you can proceed to reassemble the vacuum. Replace the bottom cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently. Use your Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws you previously removed. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internal area of the vacuum. Use a dry cloth to wipe down any dust or debris. A clean environment inside the vacuum helps maintain its performance. If at any point you feel unsure about the process or don't have the right tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. There's no need for calls or travel, plus you will receive a quote before any repair begins. Once everything is reassembled and cleaned, you're ready to put your Rowenta Smartforce back to work. Enjoy the improved performance from your newly replaced side brush motors. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.